Diwali is a festival of dreams, dreams that go beyond boundaries. At Nyka Experience, each team lights the way forward, transforming every vision into reality.
We are the client servicing and the marketing team at Nyka. So we make your life easy by bringing clarity, and we ensure that your vision is transpired into events through our commitment.
We are the ops team who brings grandeur, comfort, perfection, which turns every event into memorable experience.
We are creative team.
We bring imaginations to life, transforming every event into memorable experiences.
We are team HR and admin. We bring warmth and unity to you, making sure every person feels part of something special.
Nyka wishes you
A very happy Diwali!